Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to uninstall or delete OpenClaw Bot. All right, let's begin. First, open the terminal on the device where OpenClaw Bot is installed. If you installed it on a VPS, log in and open that terminal. If it is installed on your PC, open Command Prompt, PowerShell, or any terminal you use during installation. Next, run the Uninstall command that removes all files and data related to your OpenClaw Bot installation. Paste the full removal command into your terminal. Once the command is entered, press Enter to execute it. This process will completely wipe the bot, including its configuration and related files. Wait a few moments while the uninstall process finishes. After completion, OpenClaw Bot will be fully removed from your system. If you want to install it again, visit the official OpenClaw website, copy the latest installation command, paste it into your terminal, and follow the setup instructions for a fresh installation. So that's basically how you can uninstall or delete OpenClaw Bot. That's it for this video. Thanks.